This is the Stalker AXR Classic. Stalker Cars out of Clearwater, Florida builds these as a replica to a Lotus or Caterham 7. AXR stands for Autocross Racer, which means they make a little more room behind the passenger compartment for bigger tires for racing. Classic means that this body style emulates the original Lotus 7 more than other cars in their lineup like the M-Spec. Stalker builds their cars more for the autocross or the racetrack, which is why you have an inboard or pushrod suspension and a full cage from the factory. But just like the Caterham, it's every bit a street car as long as you're willing to live with a minimalist interior. You can build these cars with several different drivetrains, which is why this one's got a Honda K20 engine, a BMW ZF 5-speed transmission, and a Cadillac CTS rear differential. This naturally aspirated 2-liter engine currently puts out about 230 horsepower. The car in street trim weighs about 1,400 pounds. So as you can imagine, it's pretty quick. When compared to a Caterham, Stalker's built with a little more metal, possibly making it a little stronger, but in turn makes it a little bit heavier. But no matter how you build one of these cars, it's going to be fun.